Another technique used to develop melodic motifs is a simple technique called octave transfer. Octave transfer is very similar to the technique of transposition. In transposition, the entire motif could be transposed higher or lower by any interval. In octave transfer, a single pitch may be transposed by an octave, several pitches may be transposed by an octave, or the entire motif may be transposed by an octave. Let's look at an example of each. This is an example of octave transfer where all of the pitches have been transposed up an octave. It is an exact restatement of the motif an octave higher. It is important to note that octave transfer can be an octave higher or lower. Here is an example of octave transfer in which some of the pitches have been transposed by an octave. As you can see, the last three pitches of the original motif have been transposed an octave lower. Listen carefully and compare the original motif to the octave transfer. If the motif is still clearly recognizable, then we have done a good job of balancing the principles of uniformity and variety. Here is an example of octave transfer in which a single pitch has been transposed by an octave. In the restatement of the motif in the second measure, only the first note has been raised an octave higher. The rest of the motif remains the same.